So, Alevia Pomegranate is a 700 mg organic pomegranate extract supplement marketed for antioxidant support, healthy blood sugar, steadier energy, and less bloating. But there are a few things the marketing doesn't emphasize. The biggest issue is that research on pomegranate in general isn't the same as clinical proof that Alevia itself delivers these results. There are studies suggesting modest potential benefits from pomegranate, but no published clinical trial specifically testing Alevia's 700 mg formula, and the amount of active compounds isn't clearly standardized on the product page. I'd also pay attention to the purchasing experience. Alevia promotes subscriptions, and Trustpilot's current review summary includes complaints about unexpected subscription charges and automated shipments, even though many customers also report positive experiences with customer service. So, is Alevia Pomegranate worth buying? It contains a legitimate ingredient with some promising research behind it, but I'd be skeptical of expecting major changes in blood sugar, energy, or digestion from this specific supplement. Overall, check the exact formulation, evidence, and subscription terms before buying, and don't treat the marketing claims as proof that the product will deliver those results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.